Hey everybody, this is a different kind of a video for me, but I got home super late tonight and I had a package here from, there it is, Taperlogy. Anyway, they reached out a little while back and said, hey, do you want to do like an unboxing video with some of our stuff? And I went and I checked out their website because I have lots of companies reach out, but a lot of them aren't really things that I think fit with what my customers want and what I love. So, but these guys have some stuff that I thought, okay, this is some stuff that my customers would love. So I said, yes, I would go ahead and do it. So, this is just a fun unboxing video to kind of show you what they sent me. So I don't know what it is. It's kind of going to be a surprise for me too, but I'm excited. They have really cute stuff on their website, and I can link that for you guys down below. And let's see what we've got. Okay, cute little thank you card. I love supporting small business, so that's awesome. Okay, I can already tell I'm gonna love this. All right. Oh, how cute. Okay, you guys, these are actual coffee dyed tags. I'm gonna open these up real quick. These are actually coffee dyed. These aren't print coffee dyed. These are actual coffee dyes. They're all different. How cute is that? Oh, cute. Awesome. Okay, these are very, very usable, fun little ephemera. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna set this off to the side. I hope you can see okay. It's late at night. Like I said, I couldn't wait anymore. Coffee dyed papers made by hand. That's cool. All right. Oh, I've seen these. I love these. Okay, I'll show you. This is A and B from the dictionary, and they just have, look at these cute little just words. You could easily ink those up and just use them anywhere in your journals. Ew, cute. Love it. Fun, fun. Okay, yep. See, this is stuff that I would use in my journals. And it inspires my digitals too. These are so cute. They also sent me E through F. Cute. I love them. They're probably, oh, 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. They're cute. Cute, cute. Okay, it's a good thing I have my little X-Acto knife. This is a stamp. This is a really cute stamp. Okay, let's see what we have. So I read a little bit about the company, and I'll put some information down below for you, but it's a company that I really like. Their premise, they're a smaller company. I like to support small companies like that. Let's grab a scrap. I'm gonna stamp this stamp on the back. I would have had this ready, but I didn't know what they were sending, so. All right, I tried to get enough ink. Let's see how I did. Oh, look at that. Cute. All right, I love it. Love, love. Let's see, camellia. I think that's what it says in case you want to try to find the same one. I'm looking at this word right there. Cute. Okay. It's a bird on a branch. I don't have a bird on a branch. Let's see what we got. It's called Spring Branch. All right. Look at that. Cute. I love this. Oh my goodness. All right. These are cute little pages of different ephemera. And we have, I don't want to rip it. It's called Fragments. But I want you to be able to get a sense of these. Like this one right here, they have a bunch of vellum in here too. So they have them on like a grungy paper and they have it on a vellum. So I can see that being really cute for some tags or pockets. Cute, cute. All right. Ooh, this is a fun little packet. Oh my heavens. This is all sorts. Oh, I don't even want to rip that because I want to use it. There we go. All sorts of fun little bits. Little bits and little tickets and little... Oh, these are cute. These are going to be great in journals. How cute. These are vellum. I love that when they're like a shiny vellum. Pretty, pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have some fun with these. Very cool. Just all sorts of vintage tickets. Tons and tons. It just keeps going. Look how cool. Look at this cool thing. Awesome. Okay, yep, I like those. Fun. I'll set that over here. What else? What else do we have? Collected by... Oh, I just can't rip anything. I even love this bag that it's in. Oh, look you guys, more actual coffee dyed stuff. Here's some coffee dyed doilies. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute. All right, and a bunch of other little bits of ephemera. These are actual coffee dyed. I can smell the coffee on them. Cute. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm skipping quite a few. I don't want to take all day, but there are like lots of little ads and things. They're really cute. These are exactly the kinds of things I would find and put in my digital kits. These are cute. Cute, cute. All right, let's see. Oh, we've got some washi. Let's see what this washi tape is. Oh, that's really closed up good. This looks like cute little ticket washi tape. I'll undo some of it so you can see, and then I'll just put it back on. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. It's nice and wide. I'd say that's like, I'm gonna go 1 3/4 wide, and there's just tons of variety. Cute. And that is all sticky. You gotta remove this back part though, so it's a nicer quality washi. Really cute. All right, we have some more washi. This one looks botanical. Love me some botanical. Ah, let's see if I can get a name on it for you. It doesn't have a name. All right. Gotta find the end. I think I found it. There we go. Oh, I ripped it. Sorry, washi tape. All right, there we go. Oh, cute. I mean, if that doesn't spark the creativity, I don't know what will. So cute. Sometimes it's just nice to get stuff like this to just spark your imagination. Annotation. This is some fancy bits of paper. These are probably about, I'm gonna say 9 by 6. I guess I can measure. I don't have my ruler right here. Oh, I don't wanna rip any of it. Oh, you guys like that on Christmas? I don't wanna rip anything. Oh, these are just fun. Just way cool textured, different styles of fabric and things. Oh, that'd be so pretty for a winter journal. Just some different kinds of things that you wouldn't expect. There's different colors, some different laces. Trying to, here we go, maybe that'll work better. Trying to give you a good view of these. These are just fun because it's something different that you can use to add texture to your book, but without adding a ton of bulk. This is paper. It feels like a handmade paper. Just, can you see that texture on there? Lots of different colors. Oh, I love this one. Look at that texture. Cute. That is so cool. Oh, I'm excited to use some of this in some journals. Fun. Let's see. Ooh, look at that one. I don't know. I wonder if they hand make these even. They're really awesome and they seem very individualized. So that's fun. Do you see what I mean? Do you see why I was like, oh, I gotta show you guys? Because it's not too often that I find a website that I'm like, yes, this matches what I love. So I was happy. I was happy to find them. All right, vintage collection. It looks like a bunch of more ephemera. We've got music. These are bigger bits. This package is more like a, oh, I'm gonna say a 6 by 8 maybe? 5 by 7, something like that. Oh, look at these cute little seed packs. Little ads. Lots of cute. Oh, look at this cute flower image. And the paper's fun. Like it's just textury. So it feels like a little more authentic, I guess. Cute. Oh, I love this. Some book pages. These are just printed on here, but they have used some different texture, like vellums and some textury papers. So it just makes it feel more authentic. This is like a cardstock, a textury cardstock. Oh, look at these cute vellum. I vellum flowers. Fun. I'm trying to give you a good look. Hope you're seeing them okay. Anyway, tons. I don't know. It doesn't say how many pieces are in there, but like 60. Oh, more papers. Oh, this is so cool. These are more tissuey papers, whites and creams. The same pretty textures. So just a fun way to add texture to your journal. They're pretty heavy duty, like these wouldn't tear super easy, so you don't need to worry about that. They're kind of a cloth, a thin cloth. All right, last one. Let's see, I'll put that over here. So I don't know, sometimes it's fun to have your digitals, and sometimes it's fun to get some that are just pre-done and ready to go. And I know many of you have reached out and asked me if I print my digitals and ship them, and I just don't have the time to be able to do that right now. So I kind of thought, well, this is a good, wow, that is a nice strong envelope. This is a good option if you want to get some fun ephemera that's already printed and ready to use. So this is awesome. Oh, I got a paper pack of just a cream and white variety paper pack. Just different textures, different styles on all of them. Oh, I can't do justice on my camera. Probably because it's so dark. But these are totally just textured, kind of embossed. Fun. Oh, come on back now. Let's go this way. This has little textures on it. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it better from that side. Cute. Oh, that's like a wood texture. Can you see that? I'll hold real still. Maybe if I come, oh, there you go. Now you can see it from the angle. Really cool. Where do you find paper like that? Taperlogy. That's where. What a cool thing to be able to offer. I love it. Okay, that is the end of that packet. Super fun. Lots of cute stuff. Lots of good options if you're looking for some other ephemera. I'll put all this back away. But anyway, lots of good stuff. I'll put a link below. Feel free to go over. They have a coupon code for you that they said I could send for you. So I'll go ahead and post that down below as well if you want to try them out and see if their style is what you're looking for. But lots and lots of fun stuff. So head on over, check it out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And now I am going to bed. We'll talk to you later. Bye.